Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a 2Checkout account for your Shopify store. 2Checkout is a popular payment gateway that supports global payments, making it a great choice for Shopify merchants. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and head over to checkout.com. Once you are on the home page, click on the sign up button at the top right of the screen. This will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you will need to provide some basic details to create your 2Checkout account. Enter your first name, last name, business email, and use a strong password. You will also be asked to select your business type and provide your website URL, which should be your Shopify store's link. After filling in the all necessary field, click the Get Started button. After verifying your email login to your new account, you will be asked to provide business details including your address, bank information, and some documentation like your ID or business registration. This step is important to get your account approved. Once your checkout is approved, go to your Shopify admin panel, then go to settings, then payments, and under alternative payment methods, select to checkout. You will need to enter your 2Checkout account ID and secret word, which you can find your 2Checkout dashboard under account settings. After that, click activate. And that's it. You have successfully created and linked your 2Checkout account to Shopify. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.